Here we go, down to the other garden railway. Let's see what happens down here, eh? Well, we're very particular about putting these little trains down. Quite a few wheels to sort out there. Don't forget that tender. Very good. You're putting wagons on as well. Hey, what about just doing the locomotive? What do you want to put wagons on too? Looks like going for the full caboose here.
Here goes more!
And this is a 3-year-old playing a G scale. Talk about starting at the top. No messing around with that small stuff. Well, I've just turned the train around because I was doing this the other day and I could see what the problems were. And it looks like we're taking along with this one carriage here. And what I do before I get going is I just brush away some of the debris from the track. Make sure those points areas are nice and clean. There's always trouble area. I'm going to give that a spin. Missing the back of the
Oops, come back forward.
Hey, ready to
Go. Oh my.
Nah, lost that caboose again. Sort of has me thinking that, steer clear of all that small scale stuff if you can. And
Yep.
Here we go. Let's see where the problems lie.
Ah.
And there's problem number 1. I can see the front wheel there. That's come off on that
Curve and curve.
The next problem lies. Yeah,
Just like this. And curve.
It's also a bit of a... Here we go again.
Moving curve. He's for the points. Ugly.
Putting those wheels on, look at that. That's it, looks great. It's worked doing once.
Try again.
It's worked doing twice.
Wow.
Made it
Through.
I can't believe it.